Exploding water. What you want to do is get some water boiling in a glass dish, and this isn't really quite cold enough. Ideally you'd like to have about 15 below, but you get this water boiling and you take it outside and you throw it up in the air and it atomizes, and you end up with maybe only about 5 to 10% of the water hitting there, and then one big cloud. You'll see it in the film clips. Our cameras kept failing in the cold weather, so it's kind of disjointed, but you'll get the idea. Kids, don't try this at home. Have your parents do it and enjoy it.
Okay, one.
Okay, about 10 degrees below zero. What are we good to do, guys?
We're going to put water up and get slow.
We're going to make exploding water. We're going to take the boiling water, run outside, and throw it up in the air. Well, what's it take? It's cold. So, guys, it's getting really good hot here. So, once you go over the door, here we go. Run. Outside, Brad. Okay, we're ready here. You guys go over by the door there. Okay? Brad, you go over there. Okay, here I come. Oh, this is good and hot. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Ready? And up. Whoa. Ah. Woo. I got a little hot.
Wait a minute.
Okay, take the water out. She's boiling real good. Okay. Oh, geez, that's hot. Okay, here we go. It comes out. And hopefully I'll get it this time. Ah. Whoa!
That worked out good.
Was that good?
Hey, was that great? Alright. Good job, Mike.
Alright, we're doing good. Entertainment on Coon Lake on a below zero day. Oh, now we're locked out.